Hi, I'm Linda from Escape to talk to you about personalizing your custom-build Escape trailer. Let's talk about fabric for personalizing your custom-build Escape trailer. You have 6 different options to choose from for your cushions. We have Summit Ash. We have Monroe Steel and Heavenly Olive. These are all fabric choices. We also have 3 different UltraLeather choices for you to pick from. We have Chinchilla, we have Claro Ash, and we have Claro Alabaster. Now, if these 6 aren't appealing to you in any way, you also have the option to customize your fabric for your cushions. And again, there's literally hundreds of choices for you to pick from. If this is of interest to you, we ask you to reach out to one of our recommended fabric suppliers, or you can also simply go to your fabric store and see if there's a fabric there that you like for your cushions. Please reach out to us for more information on this, as there's quite a few specifics that you would need to know in order to make this work. Another thing I'd like to talk about is the wrap on the cushion itself. So this here represents our standard wrap. What we do is we put a heavy vinyl material on the back. This is great if you travel with kids or people who act like kids or pets. You can have it vinyl side up so it's easier to clean. Or what you can request is a full wrap. With the full wrap, what we would do is we would take the same material and put it all the way around the cushion so you can rotate your cushions for even wear. Thank you for joining me.